Well, hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, located just north of Houston in the Humble Kingwood area. We're actually in Porter, Texas, and we're located at 25428 Loop 494. Hey, yesterday was one of those days that just kind of really made me stop and think for a minute. I'm going to share that with you coming up next. This past Saturday marked 15 years since the very first hands-on pressure washing school that we've held here in Houston, Texas. That first school was on March 11th, 2011. Back then, we had a group of guys who attended who were all getting ready to start their own pressure washing business. Nobody really knew exactly what to expect, including me, but they showed up ready to learn. And as far as I know, 5 of those original students are still in the business today. And that's something I'm pretty proud of. Over the last 15 years, well over probably 1,000 people have come through this school. And every single group has been a little different. But one thing has always stayed the same: good people. People who are eager to learn, eager to ask questions, just eager to do it the right way, and eager to get back home and start building something for themselves. Now, something else that was kind of cool, March 14th was the 15-year anniversary, and we had 15 people attend the Houston school. And at the same time, we also had 5 people attending the school in Valdosta, Georgia, with Judd West. So it ended up being a pretty special weekend all the way around. And I'll be honest with you, normally I only take about 8 students at a time, mainly because I've always tried to keep the school small and personal. Because I believe people learn better when they can ask questions and actually spend time working with the equipment. But this time people just kept signing up, and I just didn't have the heart to tell them no. So Ramundo and I made it work, and I can't thank Ramundo enough for always helping me out at the schools and even teaching a couple of sessions. But it turned out to be a great group. When we first started this school back in 2011, it was actually the first program of its kind that offered both classroom training and hands-on training together for pressure washing and soft washing. I've always believed people learn best when they can hear it, see it, and then go do it themselves. So in the classroom, we talk about things like equipment, chemicals, techniques, pricing, how to actually run the business. Outside, we take that knowledge and put it into practice using real equipment and the equipment that can be used on a daily basis operating a business. And we've been doing that every single month for the last 15 years. The focus has always been the same: helping people who want to start a pressure washing or soft washing business, and also helping those who may have started their business in the previous 3 years and wanted to learn how to do things the right way. This last group, they were just a great group of people. We had folks from right here in the Houston area, but also people who traveled in from Louisiana, Dallas, and even a gentleman who came all the way from the Cayman Islands. And over these last 15 years, I've just been very blessed. Every group that comes through this school is made up of people who are serious about learning and improving. And this group was no different. We had a lot of fun yesterday. And if you know me, you know I believe learning should be fun. Another thing that happened yesterday that I thought was really neat, we had a former student, Eric Kosh, who attended the school back in August of 2025. came back for a little refresher. That's something that I've always offered. Once you attend the school, you're welcome to come back anytime at no additional charge. Sometimes people just want to refresh their memory. Sometimes they want to see the equipment again. And sometimes they just want to reconnect and ask a few more questions. Another really cool moment happened during the hands-on portion of the training. Former students, Bobby and Cynthia McShann, who attended the school back in November, pulled up with their rig in tow. They had been doing a little on-the-job training with a gentleman who is thinking about getting into the business. They knew we had the school going on that day, so they brought him by so he could see what we do here and learn a little bit more about the training. And they encouraged him to sign up for the April 11th school. Moments like that really mean a lot to me because it's always exciting to see former students go out, build their business, grow their business, and then they help someone else get started. That's really what the school has always been about. Over the last 15 years, I've had the opportunity to meet a lot of great people. And I'm very thankful for every single person who has trusted me enough to come to this school and learn from me. If you've attended the school at any point over the last 15 years, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for the trust that you have placed in me to help you start or grow your business. It truly means a lot. And if you're watching this video and you've been thinking about starting a pressure washing business, or maybe you're already in the business for a short time and just want to sharpen your skills, I'd love to have you come join us at a future school. Our next one is April 11th. We host this school every single month here in Houston and also host one in Valdosta, Georgia with Judd West. My goal has always been simple: to help you avoid the mistakes that many of us made when we first started and help you build your business the right way. So if you're interested in attending, go to pressurewashingschool.com. All of the information as well as registration is right there. If you can't attend here but still want to learn, you can check out my new school, that's SKOOL Community, and learn online. You can also email me at learn@pressurewashingschool.com if you have any questions about any of our training opportunities. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications, comment, like, share, all that other stuff. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a very, very blessed day.